So on December 26th, I decided to start combing out my locks. And this is from one of my locks at the front. This is all the hair that came out of just one lock, one of my short locks at the front. And there's so many more that came from the others that I've done. I've only done the first 3 in the front of my hair, my head. And this is just from one lock, and this is the amount that comes from the other locks. And I just don't know if I can continue with combing out all the locks in my head, guys. Like, it is just seeing all of this, I might as well just lose all the hair, because the main purpose of wanting to restart my lock journey is to, you know, tend to my scalp, because I've just got some really dry, flaky scalp. Can you see all of that? Look at that big old flake right here. See that? Now I'm starting to think if I have dandruff. And then look at the amount of lock the hair that's left after taking the lock out. Like, look at this. This is all the hair. So it's like, what's the point? Like, I'm going to pull out all my locks for all of them to look like this? Like, no, like, I ain't got no time. And plus, like I says, as it's to make my hair like tend to my scalp, what's the point in pulling out all of this when it's going to end up looking like this and feeling very weak? You know, so I think I've made my decision. I'm going to cut it, and I don't really want to, because this is 8 inches of hair that I've grown, but the buildup and everything, and more so my scalp. Okay, so today is December 31st, 2019, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, I am going to miss my length. I'm gonna miss my length, the length of my hair. But at the end of the day, I really have to be true to myself, right? Because, you know, my channel banner, let me just come back here. My channel banner always stated that life's a hair journey, and I have shared that with you guys so many times. But I have come to the realization that I have to literally take care of my scalp, because I've always said to you guys that I've always promoted to you guys, especially if you all watch my check out my videos in the hair growth pharmacy. You know, I always tell you guys that a healthy scalp will produce or promote healthy hair growth and healthy hair. So, you know, I've always shared with you all about, you know, my issues that I have with my scalp, right? And if you can see, look at this. It's something that's always bothered me. And, you know, I did say in, I think it was 2018 when I uploaded that video. I'll definitely link it right here for you to check out. But I remember saying to you guys that I really want to get to the bottom of what's going on. And, you know, I need to get out of this room. Let me just pause this. Right, so I had to just escape to the bedroom. Now, the reason why I'm thinking more so to cut my locks rather than comb it out, because I did start combing it out, right? Look at all this dryness. You can kind of see the dryness as well. But I did start combing it out. But when I combed out these at the front here, like this and the ones that were here, ooh, the amount of hair that I lost. And all of this hair, like all this hair right here, is quite thin. Like when you look at it, the length of it, they look thin. So then I considered combing out all of these and having thin hair. But I considered that, say if it's cut low and my hair start flaking up, it will be very easy for me to just, okay, quickly wash it, quickly oil it, and kind of have more of a consistent consistent routine going with it. Because with my hair being so short, I can really get to the scalp without worrying about detangling my hair and all of that. So with my hair being so low, I can really get to my scalp and focus on, you know, having a healthy scalp. The thing is, when I get these flakes and then they get stuck inside of the lock and I have to like, is that some flakes if you can see? You know, then it gets stuck inside the lock. You see that's like flakes right here. So you get flakes stuck in the lock and you're just like, okay, this is just crazy. Then on top of that, I also am experiencing buildup. So it's like, oh my God, like I just want to just start over. And I really just want to focus on my scalp, just get my scalp to a really healthy place. And like I says, life's a hair journey. So this particular hair journey with my locks have come to an end, but I will restart my lock journey eventually. But now I'm at another stage of my hair journey to ensure I have healthy hair. This is such a hard decision. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been thinking about this for so long and I have just been going back and forth, back and forth. Then I started pulling this out and I'm like, okay, just pull it out, just pull it out. Because 71% of you, the last time I checked, 71% of you suggested that I should comb my locks out. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna comb it out because I don't want all this length to just go to waste. But even like talking about it right now, I'm literally confused. Like, is this what I really want to do? You know, cutting my hair off.